hard to take that. You can even get upset for like a hot minute, but then say, okay, how can I satisfy, delight, and inspire this customer? How am I going to turn this around? There's some expectation I'm not meeting. How can I change this around? And then change yourself. Don't make excuses, make adjustments. This is one of my most favorite quotes of all time. Sometimes we make excuses as to why something didn't work, and then we feel kind of like happy to just stay how we are, because that's comfortable. But all you need to do is make a slight adjustment to get back on course at times. So as you're reflecting, think about these 3 steps: gathering your feedback, what works, what didn't. Don't make excuses, make adjustments. All right, and your greatest superpower is the ability to change yourself. You guys are not ugly little caterpillars. I know you're already in the process of becoming beautiful butterflies. And I have a lot of faith in you and your ability to change and improve your personal brand. All right, so think about today, your goals. When you go home next week, your 10-minute sprint, what's that gonna look like? What did you take off of this buffet today? What did you choose to implement in your life and in your studio that's gonna make your brand stand out and your customers just rave about you? What is gonna make you rave-worthy? All right, and you got this. Any questions, you guys? If you wanna ask questions, stick around, but are we done, Roz? Okay, thank you guys.